One thing that we understand and acknowledge is that drugs have side effects and we manage them. But why do they appear in first place? When the drug is designed to cure, why does it have these undesirable effects? First, let us understand that the medicines are designed to target a biological system like nervous or renal or any other such system within the body. But sometimes the medicine targets other systems as well. For example, a patient might be taking a drug for blood pressure, but it may hit the nervous system, causing these undesirable effects. And we call this as off target effect. Let us take another scenario. The patient is advised to take a specific dosage of paracetamol. The recommended paracetamol dosing for adults is 500 to 1000 mg every 4 to 6 hours as necessary, and with a maximum dosage of 4000 mg in any 24-hour period. Paracetamol overdose can result in liver damage and at very high doses can be fatal. So, if the dosage is beyond the recommended doses, it leads to the side effects. Individual variations. Each person's body is unique, and individuals may respond differently to drugs. Factors such as genetic makeup, metabolism, age, underlying health conditions, and other medications influence how a drug is processed and its potential side effects. Drug interactions. Some drugs can interact with other medications, herbal supplements, or substances like alcohol, leading to altered drug effects or increased risk of the side effects. So, it's important to consider potential drug drug interactions when prescribing or taking multiple drugs. Pharmacokinetics. Drugs undergo various processes in the body, including absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination. Differences in these pharmacokinetic processes can impact drug levels and contribute to the side effects. In some cases, individuals may experience unexpected and rare reactions to a drug due to unique sensitivities or immune responses. These reactions can be challenging to predict or prevent. I hope you got an idea why do side effects occur at first place. Thank you.